Hello everyone, welcome to Planet Ayurveda channel. I am your Planet Ayurveda expert. Today we will discuss an very effective herb that is known as Gotukola. It is known as Indian pennywort in English. Let's start. Gotukola is known as Manduk Panni in Sanskrit. Mahoshdi Mehti Oshadhi means Manduk Panni is one among the best medicinal plants. It is indicated as Medhya and Rasayan in all Ayurvedic texts and in Ghantus. In Atharvaved, Mandukpanni is mentioned as Medhya Rasayan. In Matsya Puran, Mandukpanni is mentioned among the medicinal plants that are beneficial for brain. Let's start their classical synonyms. Mandukpanni, a leaf whose overall shape gives the impression of frog. Mahoshdi, a herb which has many uses. Divya, this plant is superior. Bhekparni, leaves appear like frog shape. Supriya, having attractive features. Manduki, derived from word Brahma, the deity responsible for creation of whole universe. Rishi, because it is the herb that spread all over the ground like frog. Tavasthi, because it is believed to be an adobe of goddess Lakshmi. Now we'll discuss vernacular names of Gotukola. In English, it is known as marsh penny or Indian penny. In Hindi, it is known as Brahma Manduki or Manduk Panni. In Bengali, Thulkudi, Malayalam, Karivana, Gujarati, Khadbrahmi, Telugu, Manduka Brahmi. In Tamil, Balau. In Marathi, Karivana. Now let's discuss classical categorization of Gotukola. According to Acharya Charak, it is known as Vaisthapan, the group of herbs that are used for aging purpose like anti-aging properties. Prajasthapan, group of herbs that are useful in stabilizing the pregnancy. According to Acharya Sushrut, it is classified in Tiktvarg, the herbs that contains bitter taste. Now let's discuss ancient verse of Gotukola. Brahmi Himasara Tikta Laghurmethya Cha Shitla Kashaya Madhura Swadu Pak Ayushya Rasayani. According to above shloka, Brahmi is cool in nature, purgative, bitter, astringent and sweet in taste, light, good for intelligence, cold in potency, post-digestion effect is sweet and also contain rejuvenating properties. Next ancient verse is Swarya Smriti Prada Kusht Pandu Mehastrak Kas Jit Vish Shoth Jvar Hari Tadav Manduk Parnini. According to above shlok, Gotukola improves voice, increase memory and manage skin disorders, anemia, diabetes, blood disorders, cough, poison, swelling and fever. Mandukparni has same properties as Brahmi. Raso Manduk Parnyastu Parlepat Pitika Mayam Pranashet. That means the juice of Mandukparni and paste of Mandukparni leaves can be applied to skin to reduce all type of skin disorders. Next, we will discuss next ancient verse, that is Mandukparnyah Swarasa Prayojya Ayu Danyamay Nashnini Bal Agni Van Swarvardhinini Medhyani Chetani Rasayanani. According to above shlok, swaras or juice of Mandukparni is used to gain longevity of life, balance all the doshas, strengthens, enhance digestive fire, complexion and voice, and memory power can also be improved by Mandukpani. Now we'll discuss morphology of Gotukola or Mandukpani. It is a small creeping herb with shovel-shaped leaves emerging alternate in cluster at a stem nodes. Roots are nodular. Flowers. Flowers are fascicled and umbels in pink and white color. Stem. Glabrous and strips are present that are pink in color. Leaves are rounded 2 to 5 centimeter wide, horizontal, rounded at the tip, kidney shaped, heart shaped at the base. Petals are dark purple ovate and about 1 millimeter in length. Petioles are erect and long. Fruits are minute, ovoid, white or green, and reticulate, each with 9 subsimilar longitudinal ridges. Now we'll discuss habitat of Gotukola. It is distributed in subtropical and tropical region of both hemispheres, mainly found in wet area of India, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Pakistan, Indonesia, Africa, Australia, China and Philippines. Plant occurs almost throughout the India from the base of Himalaya to Ceylon up to 2000 feet of altitude. It grows abundantly along streams, riverbeds, tanks or ponds, also in borders of rice field and usually during rainy season. Now we'll discuss scientific classification of Gotukola. Its kingdom is Plantae, division is Angiospermae, class is Dicotyledone, order is Umbelliferae, family Apiaceae, genus Centella, species is Asiatica. Now we'll discuss pharmacological properties of Gotukola. Its rus or taste is bitter, gun or physical properties is light, its potency is cold, and post digestion effect, that is vipak, is sweet. Its action on dosha is that it pacifies kapha and pitta dosha, and its special effect is that it contains medhya properties that improves intelligence. Now we discuss chemical composition of Gotukola. Gotukola contains tannins, triterpenoids, carotenoids, acetoids, and stigmasterols. Tannins. Tannins contain antioxidant, antimicrobial, and antiviral properties. Triterpenoids. It contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Carotenoids. It contains antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and neuroprotective properties. Acetoids. It contains antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and immune modulatory properties. Stigmasterols. It contains anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, immunomodulatory, anti-parasitic, antifungal, antibacterial, antioxidant, and neuroprotective properties. Now we'll discuss properties of Gotukola. It contains Shofar properties, that is anti-inflammatory properties. Smritiprad improves memory. Kasjit useful in cough. Jwarhar useful in fever. Vishhar, it is useful in management of poisonous condition. Kandughan, it is very effective in the management of itching. Medhya intelligence. Rasayani rejuvenating. Shvasar useful in asthma. Hridaya good for heart. Vak improves speech. Swar improves quality of voice. Now we'll discuss therapeutic properties of Gotukola. It contains immunomodulatory, neuroprotective, cardioprotective, anti-diabetic, cytotoxic, anti-tumor, antiviral, antioxidant, hepatoprotective, antimicrobial, sedative, anti-ulcer, and memory enhancer in Alzheimer's disease and schizophrenia. Now we'll discuss effect of Gotukola on different systems. On circulatory system, Gotukola acts as blood purifier due to its bitter properties. It is indicated in bleeding disorder, edema, and good for heart. On digestive system, it helps to improve agni, that is digestive fire, and digest the food very easily due to its deepen, that is appetizer property, thereby prevent indigestion. On respiratory system, it helps to improve pain and inflammation in throat and respiratory tract due to its anti-inflammatory properties. On nervous system, it improves intelligence and also boosts brain function and elevate anxiety and stress. Now we'll discuss part use of Gotukola. Whole plant of Gotukola is used, that is its panchang is used in the treatment of various diseases. Now we'll discuss doses of Gotukola. Dose of powder, that is churn of Gotukola, is 1 to 3 gram. Dose of juice, that is swaras, is 5 to 10 ml. For decoction or kvath is 5 to 10 ml. Now we'll discuss some classical formulation of Gotukola, that is Brahmi Panak, Brahmi Tel, Saraswatarist and Saraswat Grit. Now we'll discuss some home remedies of Gotukola. In brain function, take half teaspoon of Gotukola powder, take it in 1 glass of milk, have it once or twice a day. In mental alertness, take half to 1 teaspoon of Gotukola powder, add honey into it and have it once or twice a day for improving mental alertness. In anxiety, take half to 1 teaspoon of Gotukola powder and half teaspoon of Shankpushpi powder, have it with lukewarm water once or twice a day. In sleep problems, take half to 1 teaspoon of Gotukola powder, have it with lukewarm milk at bedtime. For wound healing, take fresh leaves of Gotukola, make paste of it with water, apply on affected area, apply it daily to heal the wound very quickly. Now we'll discuss effect of Gotukola in mental alertness. Gotukola helps to improve mental alertness when used on regular basis. According to Ayurveda, the nervous system is controlled by Vata dosha. An imbalance of Vata dosha leads to poor mental alertness. Mandukparni helps to improve mental alertness as well as enhance memory due to its medhya properties. Gotukola in anxiety. Gotukola helps to reduce anxiety due to its anxiolytic activities. It reduces the effect of certain mediators that induce anxiety. It also manages the function of neurotransmitter by balancing the behavior changes and the release of hormones. According to Ayurveda, any neurological disorder like anxiety is controlled by Vata dosha. Gotukola helps to reduce the symptoms of anxiety and gives a calming effect on the nervous system due to its brain tonic properties. Now we'll discuss Planet Ayurveda product that contain Gotukola. These are Gotukola capsules, Mandukparni churn, Neuroplan syrup, Angel Ivy Tail. Thanks. I hope you all like this information on Gotukola. If you have any query regarding any home remedies or anything, you can directly mail us on herbalremedies123@yahoo.com.
अब घर बैठे ऑनलाइन कंसल्टेशंस करें टॉप एमडी आयुर्वेदा स्पेशलिस्ट के साथ, इंडिया का बेस्ट ऑनलाइन आयुर्वेदिक क्लिनिक, और पाएं सारी आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन की होम डिलीवरी वर्ल्ड वाइड। प्रॉब्लम कोई भी हो, सोल्यूशन सिर्फ एक, www.planetayurveda.com।